How to use feedback to improve your product or service. Welcome to Success Spark Wisdom, where we explore the secrets to achieving your goals and reaching new heights in your personal and professional life. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can make or break your business: how to use feedback to improve your product or service. Feedback is a powerful tool. It provides insight into what your customers think about your offerings, helping you understand their needs and preferences. In this video, we will discuss how to gather feedback, analyze it effectively, and implement changes that will enhance your product or service. Let's start with gathering feedback. There are several ways to collect insights from your customers. Surveys are one of the most common methods. You can create short and engaging surveys that ask specific questions about your product or service. Consider using online tools that make it easy for customers to respond. Another effective way to gather feedback is through direct communication. Encourage your customers to share their thoughts by reaching out via email or social media. Personal interactions can provide valuable insights that might not come through in a survey. Online reviews are also a goldmine of feedback. Pay attention to what customers are saying about you on platforms like Google, Yelp, or social media. These reviews can highlight both strengths and areas for improvement. Once you have collected feedback, the next step is to analyze it. Look for common themes or recurring issues. Are there specific features that customers love? Are there complaints that keep popping up? This analysis will help you identify the aspects of your product or service that need attention. Don't forget to prioritize the feedback based on its impact. Some issues may need immediate action, while others might be less urgent. By focusing on the most significant areas first, you can make meaningful improvements that enhance the customer experience. Now that you've gathered and analyzed feedback, it's time to take action. Develop a plan to address the issues raised by your customers. This might involve tweaking existing features, adding new ones, or even rethinking your service delivery. Remember, the goal is to create a product that resonates with your audience. Once you've implemented changes, communicate with your customers. Let them know that you've listened to their feedback and made adjustments based on their input. This not only shows that you value their opinions, but also helps to build trust and loyalty. Finally, make feedback a continuous part of your process. Regularly check in with your customers and encourage them to share their thoughts. This ongoing dialogue will help you stay ahead of the curve and ensure that your product or service evolves with your audience's needs. In conclusion, using feedback effectively can transform your product or service. By gathering insights, analyzing them, and making informed changes, you can create a better experience for your customers and foster lasting relationships. Thank you for watching this episode of Success Spark Wisdom. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on achieving success in your endeavors. Remember, your journey to improvement starts with listening to your customers. See you next time.